Takang-taka ang mga kapuso viewers kung bakit wala ang ultimate star na si Jeneline Mercado sa bagong station ID ng GMA Network. Si Jeneline ay homegrown talent at isa sa itinuturing na big stars ng Kapuso Network kaya hindi maiwasang magtaka ang netizens. In fairness, matagal nang chika na mag-o-over the bakod na si Jeneline sa ABS-CBN, mula pa noong mabalita ang pagpirma niya ng recording contract sa Star Music. Sa TikTok noong July 1, 2024, nagbahagi ang asawa ni Jeneline na si Dennis Trillo ng isang short video. Dahil palaisipan sa netizens ang hindi pagkasama ni Jeneline sa station ID ng GMA7, ang mister nitong si Dennis ang napagbalingan nilang tanungin sa comment section. Tanong ng isang netizen kay Dennis, "Kuya Dennis, sana masagot mo ito. Bakit wala si Ma'am Jen sa GMA station ID, at totoo ba na lilipat na siya sa ABS-CBN?" Nakakaintrigang sagot ni Dennis, aniya, may ABS pa ba? Nagsalita na nga ang talent manager ni Kapuso star Jeneline Mercado, kung bakit wala ang alaga sa latest GMA Station ID 2024, na nagmistulang nagpaalab pang lalo sa mga hakang-haka, na baka lilipat na siya sa ibang estasyon. Nilinaw ni Becky Aguila na siyang founder ng Aguila Entertainment, na kaya wala sa station ID si Jen, ay dahil hindi siya available ng araw na na-shoot ang nabanggit na station ID. Paliwanag niya, si Jeneline ay loyal artist ng GMA at mananatiling loyal, hanggat gusto pa siya ng home network na magstay sa kanila. She was absent from the station ID simply because she was unavailable that day. Rest assured GMA extended an invitation to her, which we very much appreciate. I just want to clarify to those who keeps on insinuating the issue of network transfer that Jeneline is a loyal artist of GMA, and will always remain loyal for as long as her mother network wants her to stay, ani Becky. Pagdating naman sa kontrobersyal na TikTok comment ni Dennis, as for Dennis, alleged comments on TikTok, it was not him. Dennis is a very humble and respectful and known to be a man of few words. He is not the type who would release comments that are insensitive to others, most especially to his former colleagues in ABS-CBN, where he was first launched via Star Circle. His account was hacked yesterday as what our official statement said.